How to buy games in Epic Games with Google Play. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to log into your Epic Games, and then you have to select a game which you want to buy. Let's say the Stellar Blade you want to buy. So just open up the game and select buy now option, and then you can check first if Google Pay is available. So visit the Epic Games Store and navigate to the payment method section within your account settings or at checkout. If Google Pay is listed as an available option, you can proceed with linking your account. So if you haven't already, go to the link to account section. If your Epic Games account settings, click the link button under the Google icon and follow the prompts to connect your Google account. And browse the Epic Games Store and select the game you want to purchase. At checkout, you'll see the available payment methods. Choose Google Pay if it's an option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. And if Google Pay isn't available in your region, you might need to use a different payment method. You can also combine your Google Play balance with other payment methods if it's not sufficient for the full purchase amount. Make sure your Google account is properly linked to your Epic Game account before attempting to use Google Pay. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.